Ever had one of those days where you only have 30 minutes, or maybe even less, to go from feeling completely stuck in the wrong body or rigid boy mode, to stepping out into the world as your true, beautiful, glowing feminine self? Maybe you have an unexpected video call, a quick date, or honestly, maybe you just need to feel like you before the sun goes down. We have all been there, trust me. You stare at the clock, you look at your makeup bag, and you think, there is no way I can pull off a full transformation in half an hour. Contour takes 20 minutes alone. But here is the secret. Passing, feeling gorgeous, and embodying your femininity isn't about spending 3 hours in front of a ring light. It's not about slathering on 10 layers of full coverage foundation or struggling with intricate eye makeup that leaves you frustrated. Today, on My Life, My Rules, we are skipping the basics. You already know about wigs, breast forms, and high heels. Today, we are talking about the advanced stuff, the psychological shifts, the subtle physical microhabits, the silhouette hacks, and the invisible details that make an instant, undeniable difference in under 30 minutes. Grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's get you ready. Let's start with the very first minute, because this is where most people get tripped up. When you are rushing, your body carries tension. Your shoulders pull up toward your ears, your jaw clenches, and your breath stays shallow in your chest. That masculine energy, that fight or flight tension, sticks to you like glue even if you put on the prettiest dress in your closet. So minute 1 is all about the instant reset. Before you touch a single makeup brush or zip up a skirt, I want you to change your sensory environment. Spray a signature feminine perfume right into the air and step into it. Scent is the fastest doorway to memory and emotional state in the human brain. The moment you smell those soft floral, vanilla, or powdery notes, tell your brain, okay, we are switching modes now. Take 3 deep breaths, drop your shoulders away from your ears, and unclench your jaw. Feel the weight shift down into your hips. Feminine energy isn't rushed. It flows. Even when you only have 30 minutes, starting from a place of calm grace changes the way you move your hands, the way you look at yourself in the mirror, and the way you carry your body through the rest of the speed transformation. Now, let's talk about the face, but through a totally different lens. Forget 45-minute glam routines. When time is tight, heavy makeup actually works against you. It looks cakey in natural light and betrays texture. Instead, we use smart color science and light placement. If you deal with shadow around the upper lip or chin, don't try to hide it with thick beige concealer. It will just turn gray. Grab a thin liquid peach or orange color corrector, dab a tiny amount only where the shadow is blue or gray, and blend it out with your fingers. The warmth of your hands melts the product in seconds. Then, instead of full foundation, grab a hydrating BB cream or tinted moisturizer and slap it on like lotion. Done in 60 seconds. Now here is the advanced trick that nobody talks about. Optical focus. People read gender by where their eyes naturally land on your face. You want to pull all the visual attention up to the top third of your face. Brush your eyebrows upward with a clear or tinted brow gel to lift your entire face. Dab a little cream blush high on your cheekbones, up near your temples, not on the apples of your cheeks, and put a tiny dab of clear gloss or highlighter right on the inner corners of your eyes and the tip of your nose. In under 5 minutes, your skin looks fresh, glowing, and awake, without looking like you are wearing a mask. Okay, moving on to clothing and body geometry, because this is where the real magic happens in under 10 minutes. The biggest mistake girls make when rushing is trying to create a feminine shape using stiff, complicated undergarments or massive breast forms that take forever to adjust. Forget that for a quick transformation. Femininity in fashion is all about illusion and proportion, specifically creating a lower center of gravity. Men's clothing emphasizes the shoulders. Women's clothing emphasizes the waist and hips. When you pick your outfit, ignore necklines that cut straight across your chest, like crew necks. They make your shoulders look broader. Instead, reach for a soft V-neck, a wrap top, or a scoop neck. These cut vertically, drawing the eye down and narrowing your frame instantly. If you are wearing a skirt or pants, pull the waistband high, right above your natural belly button, at the narrowest part of your torso. This instantly elongates your legs and shortens your upper body, giving you that classic hourglass ratio in literally 10 seconds. And here is an advanced silhouette tip. Soft fabrics beat structured fabrics every time when you are on a clock. A flowy cardigan, a slinky wrap dress, or a soft knit sweater moves with your body, hiding rigid angles and creating soft, fluid lines effortlessly. Now let's dive into the stuff that takes zero extra time to put on, but makes up 90% of how people perceive you in the real world. Your microbehaviors and physical footprint. Have you ever noticed how men and women occupy space differently? Masculine social conditioning teaches people to take up space. Wide stance, elbows out, heavy steps hitting on the heels. Feminine conditioning, on the other hand, is about soft containment and fluid connection. To shift this instantly, start from your feet. When you stand or walk, keep your knees slightly closer together, and imagine a straight string pulling you up from the crown of your head, while your pelvis gently tilts forward. When you walk, don't push off your back heels like you're marching. Walk as if you are gliding, leading slightly with your hips rather than throwing your shoulders forward. Watch what your hands are doing, too. Soften your wrists. Instead of making tight fists or stiff fingers, let your hands rest gently on your thighs, your purse, or gently clasp them near your waist. When you turn to look at someone, don't just snap your neck. Turn your shoulders and eyes together with a gentle, relaxed tempo. It sounds so small, but these tiny postural shifts communicate pure, effortless femininity faster than any wig or lipstick ever could. What about your voice? When you only have 30 minutes, you don't have time for a full 30-minute vocal warm-up. But you can do a 1-minute resonance shift that completely changes your tone. Here is the secret. Pitch actually matters way less than resonance and breath. A higher pitch forced from the throat sounds tight and unnatural. What you want is bright, chest-free resonance. Try this right now. Take a soft breath, smile slightly so your cheeks lift, and hum softly while keeping the vibration feeling high up in the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth. Feel that buzz in your nose and lips? That is bright resonance. When you speak, keep that light smile. It naturally shortens your vocal tract and lifts your pitch without any strain. Add a little extra breathiness to the start of your sentences, like a soft exhale as you begin to talk. It softens hard consonants and makes your voice feel warm, intimate, and unmistakably feminine. Practice saying a simple hello with that soft, forward resonance while you do your hair, and you are good to go. As your 30 minutes wrap up, put on those final touchstones that make you feel like the absolute goddess you are. A delicate pair of hoop or drop earrings to frame your neck, a quick spritz of lip oil, and a soft ring on your finger. Look in the mirror, but don't look for flaws. Look for her. See the woman staring back at you, smile at her, and own her presence. You don't need perfection to be valid, and you don't need 3 hours to be gorgeous. You just need to step into your truth with confidence, grace, and love for who you are becoming every single day. I hope these quick, real-world hacks give you the boost you need next time you're on a tight schedule. You are soft, you are strong, and you belong in every room you walk into. If this video brought you a little light or helped you today, please hit that subscribe button and join our beautiful family here on My Life, My Rules. Leave a comment down below with your favorite quick transformation tip, or just say hi. I reply to as many of you as I can. And hey, if you want more deep dives into trans and cross-dressing confidence, check out the video popping up on your screen right now. Until next time, stay true, stay proud, and live your life on your own rules. Bye for now.